Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Now welcome. Now your Ogbonga teacher Oluwakemi, they welcome you, the Ogbonga student, to this WAEC Math 2019 question. Now the question be this: if 2,3 base y equals 1,111 base 2, find the value of y. This kind question, if you don't understand before wetin be number system, you supposed to get idea how to solve this question. This 2,3 base y, wey dem say e dey equal to this 1,111 base 2, na im dem say make we use solve this question. And this base y we no know. So if you don't understand number system before, you go know say we fit use style convert both sides to base 10. And when we convert the both sides to base 10, this side go dey equal to this side, okay? That is, the left hand side go dey equal to the right hand side if you later check the cross check. So it means say make we convert this 2,3 now, we'll convert them to base 10, and to do that we go multiply them with the base number wey be y, abi we'll come add all the multiplication together. We go do the same to the number wey dey for the right hand side. So we go get 1 times wetin? 2. But for here, for the question, now 2 in words, but we will come write them in figure. So we quickly do all the multiplication and the addition together. Now 4 of them, okay? So now the next thing, now the powers. Remember, say powers, they start from right, they can't count go left, it go to increase, and they start from weighting 0. So make we start with the 2's first. So this one will be 0, then the next one will be 1, the next one will be 2, the last one will be weighting 3. Good. Then if we come the left hand side, we go also do the same thing for this y. Now the power will be weighting 0, the next one will be 1. Good. And another thing where I would like us make we remember, now if they say a number dey to the power of 0, wetin dey be the answer? You remember? Good. 1. Then if the number dey raised to power 1, wetin dey be the answer? N, that is whatever the base number be. And if the number dey raised to power 2, it go come be weighting, it will be n times n. If na n raised to power 3, weighting that one will be, it will be also be n times n times n. So the powers now, you don't show the number of times where you go use multiply the number, okay? So make we can't use that one now, apply them for this question. So for here now, we will get 2 raised to power 0, as we don't receive now 1. So 1 times 1, that one give us 1. So we get plus 2 raised to power 1, now waiting, it go dey equal to that number will be 2. So 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 raised to power 2, that one now 2 times 2, will give us 4. 4 times 1, that gives us 4. 2 raised to power 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, give us 8. 8 times 1, that gives us 8. Good. Then we come to the left hand side now. Y raised to power 0, now waiting 1. 1 times 3, that one give us 3. Okay. Then for the last one now, y raised to power 1, it will give us that number will be y. So y times 2, that gives us 2y. Good. Alright. So for the left hand side, we go see say we add all these numbers together. So when we add all the numbers together, that one give us weighting 15. Good. So now we will not get 15 and 3 dey the left hand side. We go just carry that 3, go minus am from the 15, and that one go give us 2y equals 15 minus 3 wey give us 12. So as the matter don dey like this, we go just quickly say make we remove this 2 wey dey for this y side by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So as 2 don comot for the left hand side, on the right hand side 2 fit go for 12, that one give us 6. So now we don get y equals 6. Na im be the base number. If you carry this put for here, whatever we get, you know say here we get 15. So if we say now y na 6, for here now if don be 6 raised to power 0 wey be 1, so we still get 3. 6 raised to power 1 will be 6. 6 times 2, that gives us 12. So 12 plus 3, it don't be 15. So we don't say this side equals to this side. So we could go back to the answer option. So if we see now, the answer option C now be the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video. Bye, Gario.